In today's video, I'm going to be hauling some scents that you are going to want to pick up. Okay, I've got the Christmas candles, I've got soap, I've got body mist. Let's get into this. First, there's always a but first. Candles were at the $13.95, body mist were $5.95, and the soaps were $3.50. I had a 20% off coupon, but there was just a little glitch and I ended up getting 25% off. So thank you to Bathandbodyworks, Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys. Anywho, candles turned out to be 11. It looks like the soaps turned out to be $2.62, and the body mist turned out to be $4.46. And I had a couple coupons, one for a free birthday and one for a free body. We'll get to that when we get there. All right, let's start. I hauled this last year, Cookie Butter Truffle. Couldn't be happier that it's back. The soap was wonderful. You absolutely need this. If you like a good sugar cookie scent, you are not going to go wrong with Cookie Butter Truffle. The notes are cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. Nice Gourmand soap. And I make it a little mess. But you're going to expect that here, don't you? All right. Next one coming up. I got a peppermint. Hello, crushed candy cane. Just not like this. There you go, crushed candy cane. And her notes are crunchy peppermint, white sugar, crystal, and frosted mint leaves. Happy to have this. You know what? Now that I think about it, I left a couple of soaps there. They had like a white chocolate something. White chocolate cookie or something. This one's so good. It's crushed candy cane. I like the clear kind of iridescent bottle. That's kind of cool. Minty cool design. And if you like Pillsbury iced cinnamon rolls, you're gonna love iced cinnamon rolls. That's the orange cinnamon rolls. That's delicious. 3 years in a row. I mean, it is just spot on, those orange cinnamon rolls. And I'm gonna put this in my husband's bathroom. He'll end up buying them. Warm cinnamon rolls, fresh orange, and sugar glazed. And to me, thinks that all cinnamon rolls should be orange. Does anybody else think that? All right. So since I haven't got a body mist, well, since blueberry streusel or I haven't got a body mist since the blueberry crumb cake and the caramel orange swirl. I don't know, what is it? And I don't have it anywhere. Anyways. All right, haven't got a body mist in quite some time. Let's just leave it there. Picked up your main two contenders. I picked up Perfect in Pink and Platinum. Let's see here, there you go. And one of the reasons I picked up Platinum, because the jar, this is just so darn pretty. So let's see here. So fragrant notes on Platinum are sparkling bergamot, silver splumes, and patchouli musk. It really smells like a high-end perfume to me. I really like the smell of it. I wasn't expecting to, especially with the bergamot in there, but I'll give it a try. Anyways, I could really smell it in the store, and so I thought I would give it a try. So I like it so far. So we'll see how it goes. I had a coupon for a full-size body care item, $16.95. So I picked up the Platinum lotion, and then our next one is Perfect in Pink. This has got notes of vibrant cherries, pink camellia, and whipped almond cream. And it is very similar to the Sweetheart Cherry. This has more of an almond flavor, where this is really kicked up in the pistachio. But they are definitely related. So even though they're similar, I need to have two. I love cherry scents. I got them all. And I had a app coupon for a birthday gift. I got the Pretty in Pink. That's Perfect in Pink. And now for the candles. So, gosh darn it, the jar was just so stinking cute. I had to go ahead and get the Pretty in Pink. Although it smelled great on the lid, when I smelled it, and even when I'm doing it here, it smells really light on the wax itself. But that doesn't always translate to a bad candle, so I got it anyways. I hope it works. Vibrant cherries, pink camellia, whipped almond cream. But the lid is definitely strong, so I hope it's good. I'm a gourmand lover. I don't always like perfumey candles, but I think with the biggest note in this is the cherry, with just the hint of the perfume in there. I think this is going to be just fine. So we'll see coming up. I'll probably review the candles and give you an update on the body care sometime next week. So make sure you subscribe and say hello to me in the comment section. My next candle. This is gonna be a kit. I'm so happy. Vanilla eggnog. This one has a hard time getting it filmed. I filmed it in the store today. nice, but with that iridescent background, woo, there you go. Work it, girl, work it. All right. Creamy vanilla, cinnamon stick, and a dash of nutmeg. I don't think that's what makes an eggnog. I don't know. But all I know is this candle is this candle is going to put me in my happy place. I've been so stressed out, so me and this candle are going to have a good time today. Whether you like it or not, dead or alive, you're coming with me. That's from the original RoboCop, by the way. Woo! You can smell this one in store, North Pole Punch. There you go. Happy. Love the pink jar. Man, do we have a pink thing going on or what? I've started putting some candles in this room, some here and then there's some there. I need to do my glam room walkthrough. I was about to do it and then boom, there we got to evacuate again. So anyway, back to this North Pole Punch. Man, this is strong on cold. This is absolutely strong on cold. Look at the wax. It's gorgeous. It even matches that. Beautiful. Pink wax is what we need. What's your notes? Merry cherries, jolly cranberries, and a dash of sugar. You get punch. You really do. I definitely pick up the cherry though. Can't go wrong. You're going to want this. I don't even have to burn it, and I could tell you're going to want this. Yeah. If it's not good, it's not my fault. Blame Bathandbodyworks. Should I wait for last? No, because I have to have, okay. Wow, I didn't know that the wax was going to be gingerbread color. Happy times. See, now I'm back in my happy place. Gingerbread bakery. And it's the good kind too. You really are picking up the gingerbread in this. I'm really getting the molasses in it. Let's see what the notes are. Gingerbread cookies, brown sugar, icing, and cinnamon spice. They've nailed it this year. I will let you know coming up, because I still have the candle, is that gingerbread marshmallow. I know that's a little bit more on the creamier side, but I absolutely love that candle. The spiced gingerbread from last year, it was okay. It was just there. Okay. Didn't make a huge appearance. But I think this one, I hope this is going to be good. I hope you're going to need it. I hope I want to get a backup of it. I love my gingerbread stuff. All right, last candle. Did you wait for it? Do you gonna guess what it is? Can you guess? Cookie butter truffle. Ta-da! I wasn't going to get this because I listened to somebody say that it wasn't that strong. But when I smelled it in the store, I went, oh my goodness, I had to have it. Not only that, sugared snickerdoodle. I picked that one up because they were right next to each other. And you could really pick up that snickerdoodle note. I almost got it, but I wanted to get the pretty and pink candle instead. So I'm probably going to go back for it, but I don't know. We'll see. I might get it next month. We'll have to see. I'm trying to be good, but I was really saving it for candle day. So we'll see. Cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. Just, you get that really buttery cookie. It's just that real buttery, sugary vanilla cookie that I love so much. This has such a rich creaminess that just hits me when I get a big old whiff of it. It just makes me want to come back for more. So that's why I had to buy this one. And if I can smell it in the store, it's usually going to be good. So I have high hopes for you. Please don't disappoint me. And well, I think a lot of what I was looking at too were the online reviews, and some of them were like, it was a little light, but we shall see. All right. Well, that's going to wrap up everything. I will get to burning and washing my hands and doing some spraying me every day. And I'll get a quick feel for what these candles are going to put out. And if you absolutely have to have them, come back and see me next week. We'll go through that then. Hopefully next week. God forbid there's nothing happening in the world that's going to stop me. Have another disaster. Anyhow, no one's told you today that they love you. Auntie Lissers loves you so much. You have a father out there that loves you even more. See you real soon, guys. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching. And you come back real soon. You don't ever visit any